What's up, guys? It's your boy Casey. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with.
Yes, sir. It's your boy Alkezano.
You already know. So we're back with another reaction video.
Back with another video, guys. With a banger.
With a banger,
Of course.
of course. You already know. So today we're reacting to Enzo Ishall and the Tashota. So many people are on this song.
I heard it's
In the message and stuff, you know.
I heard it was dedicated to
Java's mother.
yeah. So I didn't. Official
Official audio. Yeah.
I didn't listen to it.
Yeah, even me, yeah.
So
don't worry about the video.
This is my first time listening to the audio.
Audio, yeah.
Listen to the song and watching the video.
You already know. So without further ado, let's get straight to it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And please subscribe. And also subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, guys.
And also subscribe.
Please subscribe to the channel.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Potion Java Records.
Panawina yakakusiya asisipo nasi shamba tese finesse kuramba kudaira ndichimudana iyo ndiyo nguva inorovana konekana maviri matatu ekumbouzana nguva yekuzorora painokwana hanzi nyama nemweya zvichapesana tashota nemisodzi matama atota tashota kutadza kuzvitambira tichiti kurota tashota nemisodzi matama atota tashota totadza kuzvitambira tichiti kurota kune vari kuti basi hapagute vari kurevesa ava vachute pandinorara hope kuti ndirote.
And kune vanoti pasi hapagute.
Yeah.
That's deep.
That's deep, yeah.
That's deep.
This year in January. Yeah, I'm not for boss, so
Yeah, alright, please. RIP. But please stay strong, stay safe.
strong, stay safe, you already know.
Please stay at home.
Yes, sir.
Mask up. Protect. If you're not worried about yourself, protect your loved ones.
Yes, sir. So there you go.
Chakurota uneganda remuti kana wasvika vese uvamhurese vakakupa nguva uvaudzi zvese tazara tashoti tanga tiri tese tashota nemisodzi matama atota tashota kutadza kuzvitambira tichiti kurota tashota totadza kuzvitambira tichiti kurota kuchema ndekwedu vasara behind kuchema ndekwedu vachiri background kuchema ndekwedu vachiri moraund kutonga kwamwari hakuna rewind chifamba zvakanaka famba tichavataurira kuti raive gamba famba zvakanaka famba kushota hatidi yasinguva yaramba tashota nemisodzi matama atota. Tashota nemisodzi matama atota tashota totadza kuzvitambira tichiti kurota kuramba kudaira ndichimudana iyo ndiyo nguva inorovana totozongotambira kuti hapana watongova kumberi kwatichasangana komanje zvanga tisina kuonekana maviri matatu ekumboudzana nguva yekuzorora painokwana hanzi nyama nemweya zvichapesana tashota mweya ngauzorore murugare iri ngoma rasimbiswa napassion java marecords shira
Simplex Music.
Powered by Yards. Yeah.
I like how this like it shows how versatile Enzo can be. Like Asingoimba no.
Ngofadza, man.
Bongo Father. Like this is also talking to people. People can relate to this, especially in this time.
Yeah.
So I feel like this is a good song for the people.
Yeah, it's a good song.
Yeah.
Especially around the situation in India, like the way people are dying, you know, like yeah.
Yeah, so I think that's a nice track.
Yeah, it's a nice track. There's suppose 2021 is just it's a tough year, you know. Yeah. So
I don't know much.
you don't have much to say.
All I can say is, guys, please stay safe, guys.
Yeah, stay safe.
Each and every one of you guys, please stay safe.
You already know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it. That's it for the video. I hope you like it, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what you think with this track.
Yeah.
The boy Casey and
I hope it's Rano. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.